Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today I am back with a new video. It is how to claim your warranty for your GoPro products. Recently one of my GoPro accessory, that is your Mediamod, that got broken actually. The lock that was with the Mediamod, that actually became faulty. Now there is no direct support for GoPro products in India, so you need to send your product to Hong Kong, and that will be done with the help of a courier, and all the support will be through email. Now you need to go to your product support page. After selecting product support, you need to go to, if it is an existing case, you need to press yes. Since mine is a new case, I will press no. Now it will ask for the type of product that you need warranty support. In my case it is camera or an accessory, so I have given that. Now here are several products, so you need to select any one of them. Suppose in my case it is Hero 11 Mini. You need to give the serial number. Now the serial number is mentioned in your box or inside that particular gate of your GoPro. Now you need to type here what sort of problem you are having. In my case it was a broken latch of the Mediamod. Fill up your name, email ID and phone number. Remember to give the correct phone number and email ID because all the communication will be through this. So once you have submitted that, you will get a message from GoPro like this with a ticket number. Now here they will mention you send photos and a video of the product and the environment where the particular damage has happened. In my case it was inside the room, so you see I have given the photo of my broken latch of Mediamod. You see I have uploaded a short video also, and this particular latch snapped off. You can see this particular lock, it came off from here. Okay, and they will ask you for the invoice. So this is the invoice. I purchased it through Amazon. Now let me tell you, lot of persons who are purchasing GoPro or GoPro products from local shop, they will provide you a estimate or a kacha bill which will not be approved by GoPro. So remember to take a proper GST invoice bill in case you need to take any warranty replacement. All those kacha bills are invalid. So once you have uploaded all your videos and all this and sent it to GoPro in reply mail. So once they have received your mail, they will reply back and tell you to send further the serial number of the product which will be embossed inside. So send a picture of that. And once it is approved, they will send you an RMA. So what will be the RMA? Let me show you how it looks. Now once your RMA is approved, they will send you a email like this where they will mention that it has been approved, and they will send you some labels. One will be a RMA invoice and another one will be the RMA shipping label of UPS, United Parcel Service, that is an international courier, since this will be sent back to Hong Kong, and also there will be a commercial invoice. So these three needs to be printed out. Let me show you that. Remember, they will send you an address verification for this product, and remember this address will be through the drop down menu in their particular UPS courier. So if your address is different, it will be very difficult for you to ship the product and receive the product. In my case, my house number was listed in it, so I didn't have this problem. So you will get an address verification page. You see there is an address verification form. So it is closed now since the product support has closed. So you will find an address verification link with which you have to verify your address, and once it is approved, what they will do, you will get a mail like this with an RMA number, and you need to print these three particular pages in triplicate. This is the RMA label UPS, this is the RMA form, and here is the commercial invoices. Now you need to print in triplicate in 3 copies of each and contact the UPS courier company through their call center or through their website, and they will schedule a pickup for this particular product. Once they picks up this product and GoPro receive this particular product at their end, you will receive a confirmation mail that they have received the product. And remember, don't forget to download that delivery receipt from the UPS website. This that will be helpful in case the product or is misplaced, or in case there is a communication gap between you and GoPro. So don't forget to download that delivery receipt, and once you have received that particular copy, send an email to them that the product has been received. You see, they have confirmed that the particular product has been received by GoPro. So within 5 days the product was picked up from my residence and has been delivered to their Hong Kong warehouse, and I got a confirmation mail from them, and the new product has been dispatched. Once it is dispatched, you will get an SMS in your mobile number to verify a eKYC, that is through your Aadhaar card or voter card or a PAN card, so that you are an individual who is receiving this item since it is being shipped from a foreign country. And you will get a confirmation message that your eKYC has been successfully verified, and once verified you will receive the item within a day or so. And this is the new Mediamod that has been received by me through courier. You see, a brand new Mediamod. That's the video how to claim your GoPro warranty claim from gopro.com if you have any problem or if you have any issue with your GoPro items. So this is the very simple procedure. Only thing, you should preserve the invoice, and not only that, all the communications through it will be through your email and phone number. So take a note of that. So thank you for the watching this video, and if you have any questions regarding this procedure, you are free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Goodbye and namaste.